one of the two fundamental requirements for a probability distribution to exist is that we have created events in such a way that the union of all of those events are collectively exhaustive. Using technical math terminology, we would say that there is equivalence between the sample space of our experiment and the union of events that we have crafted. On any one trial of our experiment, exactly one outcome will prevail. When we have constructed a group of events such that their union is collectively exhaustive, then we can rest assured that whatever happens on any one given trial, the outcome fits at least somewhere, at least in one of the events that we specified. There's one simple question that you can ask yourself to see if you're applying the notion of collective exhaustion. And it's a simple question. Have I considered all of the possibilities? If you have considered all of the possibilities and grouped them any way you like, you have grouped them in such a way that the groups collectively are collectively exhaustive. If, on the other hand, you have not considered all of the possibilities or grouped all of those possibilities more to the point, then your groups are not collectively exhaustive.